So here's the TEMU purchase mini doorbell. I'm showing you this doorbell in action. So I'm ringing it and I'm trying to see how it works. I'm trying to show you how it works when someone is in front of your door and ringing the doorbell. It does ring outside, so if you heard that, and then I noticed it took 3 or 4 push on the doorbell before it actually connected to my phone. That's it. So that's the sound you will hear in your phone. So it actually will let you know that someone's out there. And if you answer, so here's a good thing with it, which is, so if you answer, of course, it's gonna show who's outside. So that's my outside. Here's what's good though, which is different from ring doorbell, which is more expensive. This one, you actually have an option to change the voice. So you can change it to a female or male voice, but there's 4 free options right there, which is actually cool because if you want to just you sound like a male person, it's just if I'm experimenting on it right now. So if you hear that, see, you have an option to change your voice to when if you want to answer the door. So that's a surprise for me because, or that's a surprise because I I have a ring doorbell, right? The one that's more expensive, and it doesn't have this option. So this is recommended, and the video is not bad. Like the video is actually clear, and it records, and it wasn't asking for me to subscribe, which is with Ring. I'm actually currently subscribed for like I think $4 a month, which is a little bit pricey. All it needs is just for recording, because if you don't subscribe in Ring doorbell, you're not gonna see the history of who's been in and out. Which is the difference with this one though, is it does not actually recognize motion. So it doesn't have motion detector. So Ring doorbell is you're paying for the motion detector, which records right away if it senses motion outside. But this one, it does not record unless someone at the door pushes the button. So I was just showing that to you, what's how it works, and was showing you the overview of the app as well in your phone. So you have those options, but again, it does have option to change voices, and the not so good part is it doesn't have a settings to actually recognize motion. So it doesn't have motion detector, only a doorbell, but the doorbell records the video as long as you answer it, and that's it.